So these stay-at-home orders will now be in effect until May 20th. They goes on to say that police now have the authority to stop a vehicle or person to inquire about an individual's reason for leaving their residence. It's quoted that police will have the authority to require any individual who is not in a place of residence to first provide their purpose for not being at home and provide their address. Well, Toronto Police just tweeted, I'm going to read the tweet now. The tweet says, oh, it's on my phone, damn it.
Well, the tweet, I have it. Well, the tweet says that Regulation 58/16, pursuant to the Police Services Act, if you recall the carding provisions, it does not allow the police to just arbitrarily collect information about people in public. Yeah. Second of all, you have no duty to answer a police officer's question if he's investigating you for a purported crime, even if it's a provincial offense violation under health regulations. Mm-hmm. If you're stopped on the street, he can't just cross-examine you as if he or she is acting under the Catholic Inquisition. You have no duty to give information to police. And if they then say you're going to give a ticket, go ahead. They ask for your address. You have no duty to give them your address. You don't have to answer their questions.
And you have a right to remain silent.
Right, and that's the whole point. And if they threaten to arrest you, you ask why. Why? If I'm facing this situation, which I probably will, I mean, what's your reason for arresting me? Under the charter, you have to tell me.
And they may say obstruction.
Well, if they say obstruction under the criminal code, this is Supreme Court of Canada decision, 1993, called Regina versus Sharma. It says the police can't use the provisions of the criminal code with such provisions in enforcing a provincial bylaw or provincial regulation.
I think it's interesting.
So this is just dictatorial, fascist, Fourth Reich, police state, martial law.
Mm. And it's interesting that the police actually tweeted this as well, right? So it's the feeling that I get is they want people to know their rights. I mean, they put hashtag know your rights for a reason. Perhaps they feel that they don't want to be putting these illegal orders in place. Do you get that sense or no?
Well, I don't know. I don't know what sense I get, but you can be sure we're poised to file the police action next week, and then this provision will also be included when we issue on next week. The members of Police on Guard for Thee are going to court to challenge and clarify these provisions, and that application is being filed next week.